Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you the 4 reasons that kept me using Hostinger for multiple years. These are the websites I have right now on this account. The first thing I like about Hostinger is that my websites with Hostinger were faster than all the web hosting providers I've used, including Bluehost, DreamHost, HostGator, and also Namecheap. Let's check out one of my websites. This website is a WordPress website. This is the homepage of this website. Let's copy this homepage URL and check the loading speed of this homepage. For this, I will use the service called Pingdown. This is the result of my website speed test. As you can see, this page loaded in under a second, which is top notch. Google recommended site speed, I think it's under 2 seconds, so you are way below the recommended speed of Google. The second thing that kept me using Hostinger is the unique features I got only with Hostinger. The first feature is that you can change your server location easily. As you can see from the plan details, below server details, you have your current server location. And if for whatever reason most of your traffic changed from US to Europe, for example, select a Europe server. There are 4 locations just in Europe in order to be close to your visitors. The second unique feature I like about Hostinger is that you can boost the performance of your hosting. Let's say you started paid ads and you received lots of traffic. Instead of upgrading and paying for your hosting, you can easily go here, click on Boost Now, and as you can see, you can increase your hosting plan for 24 hours for free. This can be good to handle traffic spikes, to import large amount of data faster, or let's say you want to test a better plan without any commitment. You can move from the premium web hosting to the business web hosting without paying. You get 2 times CPU cores, 1 gigabyte and half of RAM instead of just 1 gigabyte, and so on. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to thank you for using my affiliate link, which is bensexperience.com/hostinger. Using this link will definitely support me create more videos like this at no extra cost to you. So thank you again for your help, and let's continue the video. The third feature that kept me using Hostinger is that even though I've ordered a web hosting from Hostinger, I also got their website builder. Just go to add website, and as you can see, I can use Hostinger website builder for free. I've used this Hostinger website builder many times, and I found it to be easy to use and also fast to load. These are examples of websites I've made using this Hostinger website builder. By the way, you can, where is my camera? By the way, I've already recorded myself building these websites from scratch. So if you're interested with how to use this Hostinger website builder, just look for my Hostinger website builder videos on my channel. For this restaurant website, I was able to make this booking system that allows me to book tables on my restaurant. This is the second website I've made using this Hostinger website builder. As you can see, this is a top bar fixed or keeps scrolling. This is the free quote form, happy customers, latest blog posts, and footer. This is another website. I think this is a creative designer portfolio website. This is the about me. Hostinger website builder is a beginner friendly tool to use. Before I jump to the last feature that I like about Hostinger, Let's test the loading speed of this website, for example. Let's copy the URL, go back to Pingdom. Let's open another tab here, pass and start test. Let's check the results. It still within or below the Google recommended loading speed. The last feature I liked about Hostinger Website Builder was the customer support. Almost all of my experiences were positive with Hostinger Website Builder. Lately, they started welcoming me with an AI robot, so I just asking him to link me or connect me with a real human, and you will be automatically connected with a real human. Let's give it a test now. I have an issue with my domain. Select the subscription. This domain starts a live chat. Click on, let's see my old messages. As you can see, just on this account, these are all of my conversations or my old conversations with customer support. It is fast, knowledgeable, and you feel that they are willing to help you. That was all for this video. Thank you again for using my affiliate link, which is bensexperience.com/hostinger. This helps me create more review videos like this at no extra cost to you. So thank you again and see you in the next video.